Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, episode 2, because nobody's got time for long reviews on a Friday. We've got the DeWalt DCD803B, B meaning bare tool, but we're lying because we actually have a battery on here. So when you buy this kit, you don't get it with a battery. You just get the bare tool, which the bare tool is not bare because it comes with all the attachments that you see here. Very nifty attachments, and this is much different than I believe it was the 703, which was a lot less powerful tool than this is. So this one's a lot beefier, going to be more powerful, so don't think of these two in the same. This is the brand new, again, it's the DCD803. Now you can see here, well, the front of this looks much different than your typical impact driver or drill, but you do get your typical, I shouldn't say typical, but you do get a all-metal chuck here. You've got a 1/4-inch adapter right in there. It slides right into here. So you do not have to pull that collar back. You can just line the tool up, slide it in, and it's going to lock into place. To take it off, slide this collar back and pull it off. And again, just push it on for it to go on. So easy one-handed application of installing that and removing it. Do we get a 1/2-inch chuck? Yes, we do. So when we want to drill some big holes, we can do so, or the smaller ones as well. Nice knurling there on the chuck for easy grab. And the clutch settings are here on the tool. You can see lock it out for drilling. And then 15 other clutch setting opportunities. Leave that locked out, slide that off, and this is the 1/4-inch hex adapter for your typical impact driver bits. Slide that in, it locks into place. Pull the ring out to remove. Again, don't have to pull it out, or you don't have to pull the ring back to install it, just slides in and locks. But if you pull it out, it is not spring loaded, so it's not going to pop out. You will have to take a second hand to do that. Or if you're good enough, you can slide that out and somehow use some, other fingers to remove it. So just your typical 1/4-inch adapter there, no other settings. Slide it on, slide it off. This is going to be your offset driver. So impact driver, but offset. And you can put it in many different locations. I believe it's like 9, 1, or that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think 9 different locations where you can index this to where you need it, so you can use that offset to get in locations where otherwise you may not be able to, like cabinet doors and such. And then this is going to be your offset for drilling or whatever else you're wanting to do. I mean, you could even use the offset on the offset. So really this enables you to manipulate whatever angle and location you need to get into, or if you just need to do a right angle drill, you can do that as well. Okay, cue the sexy dance here. What we get on the drill chuck adapter is a 1/2-inch or 13mm metal chuck attachment. We also get a 1/4-inch hex right angle attachment, a 1/4-inch hex quick release offset attachment, and the 1/4-inch hex quick release attachment. And it looks like each are able to index in 16 different locations. We get 15 different clutch setting attachments, as well as the drill lockout mode. Also get a variable speed trigger and RPM up to 450 in mode 1 and up to 1650 in mode 2. And we also get an LED light that shines up from the bottom. And as far as power goes, I doubt you're going to be buying this to run deck screws. But if you do, plenty enough power to do it. And as for an auger, that's a 7/8 auger. Again, you're probably not buying this to drill large holes, but if you have to, it'll get the work done. Again, it's the DeWalt DCD803B. It's the Atomic 20-volt compact series, brushless motor, variable speed trigger, up to 1650 RPM. 4 different attachments with 16 different locations on each one of the attachments. Pretty cool little unit. The whole kit sells for $229. Again, that's less the battery. That's only the bare tool and the attachments. So check it out for yourselves. Hey, let us know what you think about 5 Minute Fridays.